Fix Discord stuck on a gray or black screen. So how to fix Discord stuck on a gray or black screen? It is simple. So many users right now they are facing the same issue. Their Discord stuck on a gray or black screen. So I have the same issue. Now, first of all, what you need to do is just close the Discord. Go to Task Manager. Right click here and click on Task Manager. Now type here the Discord, as you can see. I will type Discord. Now, as you can see, it's just selected and click on End Task. As you can see, we close Discord. Now, the second step, click on the Windows Start and find Run. Click on it. Now, type this code, %appdata, and click OK. Now, after that, what you need to do, just search for the Discord folder and delete it like that. Now, what you need to do is just go and open the Discord again. So I will just, as you can see, just click open your Discord again. Wait a few seconds to be able to fix that problem. So now, as you can see, you can log into your account. So wait a few seconds. So now, as you can see, you can now log into your accounts. And as you can see, this is how to fix Discord stuck on a gray or black screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.